Hey guys, I got a beautiful 72 Chevrolet pickup truck for you here. She's four-wheel drive, she's got a big block under the hood, and she's got a killer paint job. Take a look at this beautiful truck, man. You can see all the surround on the grills looking good. The bumpers looking awesome. As you look down the side, man, the red and the white just looking sweet as can be. All the emblems, all the trim on the truck look like they're brand new. She is one sweetheart. That Cheyenne emblem looks like it's brand new. Door handle looks new. Side view mirror. All this trim's looking sweet. And then check out the interior on this beauty. Black interior. Everything inside there also looks brand new. We got great looking Houndstooth on the seats. Of course, we got seat belts in there. We got all the paint work in here looking sweet. Headliners looking good. Visors looking sweet. Steering wheel, the dash itself, all the console there looking sweet. All the chrome there around the gauges. The paint work all looking cool. She is just a beauty, man. Short bed Chevrolet. Now we got beautiful paint on the bed, and then look at the inside of this bed. You want to know what a 1972 Chevrolet short bed looked like back in 1972? Well, that's it right there. Of course, everything on the tailgate also looking good. Everybody knows a pickup truck, the tailgate takes a lot of damage. This baby's looking beautiful. You look down the passenger side, it's looking just as sweet as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this truck, so you know we checked it out well before we bought it. Then we're gonna get it up on the lift so we can take pictures, do a video of the bottom side, and inspect it so we can answer all your questions. Four-wheeling, baby. 72 Chevrolet pickup truck, four-wheel drive, big block under the hood. Now normally I'd head straight for the nearest mud hole or sand dune, but not in this beauty. We're gonna head to the nearest car show to show this thing off. She is beautiful, man. Driving nice, sounding even better, man. That big block Chevy through those Flowmaster mufflers. Dual exhaust, just sounding amazing. Tell ya, you just don't see them this nice. Nobody does a pickup truck this nice. She is a beauty, man. Especially back in 72, pickup trucks were built to do work. Obviously, this one's not built to do work anymore. This one's built to show off. I guess this guy in the Porsche thinks he's better than me because he's gonna go through a, was that even a Porsche? I'm not even sure. Tell you what, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world too. You just call Tom, he'll tell you all about it. We can help you finance it also. So we'd love to have you come in and check out our inventory in person. We are right outside of Detroit. We're very close to the airport. So if you need to fly in, you can. If you want to send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. Just give us a call, let us know you got your inspector coming. Then you can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet down here too. Everything's looking brand new. Definitely spent a lot of money on the restoration on this thing. Now she's got the AM radio in her. So if you're a guy that needs a radio, they do make radios that are modern day radios that look similar to the old school radio. So that may be an upgrade you may want to do. Of course, I'd rather just listen to the exhaust. Of course, we got the windows down. We got the vent windows open. You guys remember those vent windows? Especially you guys who are still smoking inside the car, flicking your ashes out the window. I wouldn't suggest you smoking this thing. Tell you what, she is one beautiful machine. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, every car and truck go up on the lift. And wait till you see the bottom side of this one. We're headed back to the shop right now to show you the bottom side of this one. Now we got two facilities here in Detroit. We're only about 2 miles apart. The main facility right here that we're pulling in is where we do all the work on the vehicles and do all the shooting. Then we got our other buildings where we store everything. So stick with us. We're gonna put this baby up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and man, is she pretty under here. Look at this thing. I love the dual exhaust coming out here and how they've got it all tucked up in there nice. They got some real nice hangers on it. And you can see the paintwork on the bottom side of the bed looks as nice as the paintwork on the top side of the bed. You can see the brand new exhaust pipes. I mean, the rear end housing has got a nice cover on it, all chromed up, looking good. 373 gear in there. The flex line here is brand new. The hard line's brand new. The U-bolts are brand new. Looks like it's got brand new drums on it too. Brand new wheel cylinders, it looks like. Now the guys will still take those all apart and make sure they're in good working order. We got what looks like brand new shocks here. The Flowmaster mufflers are what's making it sound good. Everything up here is painted up looking good. We've got fuel filter mounted here, a new process transfer case. Looks like a turbo 350 trans with a real nice pan on the bottom side of it. Drive shafts are all painted up nice. The bushings and the front springs look nice. 373 gear up front also. And of course it's open up here also. Great big old steering rod here, all looking good. It looks like the U-joints are in good shape. Again, the guys will check all that out. Looks like the fuel pump up there is brand new. The front frame horns are nice and straight. The chrome on the front bumper's looking good. These BFGs look like they're brand new. Great looking stock appearing wheels. Looks like the lockout hub there is brand new too. For those of you who don't know how to work these, if you turn it to lock, it stays locked in all the time. You turn it to free, that way the rear end, the front rear end doesn't turn when you're driving down the road. As you look down the side here, all the red paint looking sweet there, all the trim looking good. I mean, just everything about this truck is just absolutely gorgeous. You can see the body mounts are all brand new, looking good. Of course, out back here, again, tires look like they're brand new, wheels look great. I didn't tell you the size up front, but they'll be the same size. These are 32 by 11.5 by 15s. Well, let's lower this thing down. Look at the big block under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got big block power, looking sweet, man. Everything's painted up, looking good. You can see we've got power brakes on the truck. The alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. All the hoses and all the lines, all the wiring is looking good. It's got a FiTech fuel injection setup on there, which is very cool. It's got factory AC looking, everything looking good under here. All the lines look like they're brand new. All the aluminum's nice and bright. The firewall's all nicely painted. The bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, everything about this thing is sweet, guys. You got big block power, you got four-wheel drive, you got short bed. We got gorgeous colors on this thing. Hey, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.